out for a little drive. We're gonna go for coffee right after this. And we just come back from Easter shopping, picking up last minute knickknacks we needed. I'll show you guys a few things I bought when I get home. Now, here's a few things we bought. These are for me for Easter, for my husband. This is a mug I bought for my sister. Cute, hey? Her bag is overfilled, so I gotta put it into a cardboard box because these Easter bags, even the big ones, are not wide enough. This is my husband's stuff so far that I got him. I had to put in a big Star Wars bag I've managed to find in the store. The rest of these bags are so tiny. See, like these are not big enough. Look how wide they are. Like, you cannot put a lot of stuff in there. Okay, there's that. That's for me. And I'm going to have to take the stuff out of her gift bag because the bag is way too small. I mean, this about our cookie container. Yes, I know there's snowflakes on it, but it's big and nice. Perfect. And I got her a bunny and some candy corn. Oops, sorry. And a book she wanted. The book. And a few other knickknacks. I also got my sister a pack of face cloths. Like I said, I buy her house stuff too, because like you can never go wrong with house stuff. Put that in her box. And I got her some snack crackers too. Like, she didn't want no chocolate, so I got her some snack crackers. And I also bought her a baking sheet. You can never go wrong with this. I bought myself one too. I'm hoping it fits in here. I'll fit it in a second. Okay, while I was in the store, I bought 2 bags of this for my animal shelters. There's 2 in my town, so I'm going to bring a bag of each to each. Plus, I got 2 big bags of Iams dry kibble in there. Plus, I got, they take donations of like old blankets, sheets, stuff like that for the cats to lie on. So I got a fleecy bed sheet here that's not being used at my house, so, and it's all clean, it's washed and everything. I'm going to bring that to my local shelter for them, for their cats to lie on. Now all I got left to pick up for the shelter is some wet cat food and some cat treats, and then I'm going to bring it down, share it half and half between the 2 shelters. I always try to help my local shelters whenever I make any extra money. As soon as I start making money off of YouTube, my first bit of money, I'm going to take it and go down, buy lots and lots of food for my animal shelters and give them some each, like half and half. And there's the treat bags I got done up for my co-workers. I already gave away 2 because there's 2 that isn't working Easter, but the rest of them are. So I'm going to go down Easter morning and bring them down their treat bags. They each got a bunny, a bag of candy, box of chocolates, and these little chickens, and bag of foil eggs each. So I do that for them every Easter. Today I picked up a pack of Temptations each for the animal shelter again. Like I said, I'm trying to fill up these bags with food for them for each shelter. I got 2 bags done up. This one and this second one right there. All I got left to buy, I just got to get them each a case of wet cat food. And then I'll be bringing it to my local shelter. So it'll be like Easter for the cats too. And I got to deliver those in a couple of days to my coworkers. Those little bags you see on the floor. My room is full of bags everywhere. I gotta go out and start delivering. Okay guys, I'm cleaning off my bureau, and because my room is a mess right now, and I'm on holidays, so I'm trying to get everything cleaned up while I can. Anyway, I bought this here a long time ago. I found this buried on the back of my bureau, shame to say, and I'm gonna install this in the back of my TV. and try it, see how it works. There's the remote. And I'll let you guys know how it went and if it was easy to install or not, but I'm going to give it a try. Okay, I'm starting to unravel it there now. I got some stuck on the back of the TV. It's not the best, but I'm going to put it up. I'm going to give it a try. And when it gets it up, I'm going to turn it on, see how good it works, and I'll show you guys. I forgot all about these lights. I forgot I had them. Guys, I finally got it working. The remote wasn't working for a while. I tried everything, changing the battery and everything, but it's working now, finally. I'm going to test out the colors. It was really, really easy to put this up. All it is two-way tape on the back of it, and where I had such a length, I didn't realize it was so long. I had to put it around my TV twice. So that's the purple one right there, and that's a bluish green grayish color. I don't know what that is. That one's a baby blue, purple, green, orange, but I rather prefer the purple. I think that's what I'm going to keep it on. There we go. I like that. That is pretty, and that's going to be really nice tonight because there is still daylight coming in through the windows right there. So, but tonight that'll be better. It was really easy to install. I didn't realize how long it was. I wasn't looking at the box, but I wrapped it around twice and it came out really nice. Okay guys, it's nighttime and look at this. It looks a lot better where it's dark in the room, because you can see that's dark behind the curtain. So it is really nice, and I like that it was really easy to install. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. I should have one made on Easter, hopefully, if I'm not too busy. And I'll try to have it released the same day if it's not busy with family all here. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.